Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur your background on Zoom. So first, you're going to enable your camera. Of course, this just looks normal. Just remove that. To blur your background, just go to video here, select the arrow, then select blur my background. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for staying at the end on this tutorial on how to blur your background on Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.